Hey, what's up, guys? You got to check this out. This is the ad swipe file. This is my ad swipe file that is insanely valuable to me and to the team. And the reason I say that is because when we create advertising campaigns, um, we've got to come up with ad copy and creative for the various stages in the buying journey that we're targeting for that particular campaign. Now, I'm not that creative. And so instead of having to originate these ideas on my own or have folks on the team do it, we have the habit of looking at the best in class B2B software companies. I run demand gen for a B2B SaaS company right now, and it is venture backed. And so we have high expectations of growth, and we've got to generate leads for the sales team. And so I have assembled this swipe file within Airtable of the best in class B2B SaaS companies of publicly listed companies. And I've taken their ads and I've assembled them into this swipe file so that you can come in here and analyze each and every single one of these. And so here's what each slide, I'll walk you through what each tile includes, the information included. So when you click into one, you've got the ad creative. So you can click into the ad creative, you can see exactly what the ad is, the copy, as well as the creative, and then the call to action uh, for what they used here. And I find this particular interesting of how companies pair their CTA with the various creative and messaging that they're using. And so for those, some of these you'll see will say for the destination URL, um, it will say inline lead form. Others, for those that have it, you've got a link. I include a link to the actual destination URL, and I find this helpful because you're trying to get inspiration for the experience that you're trying to create. And so HubSpot here has that ad. So if you think about the buyer journey, Forbes, you're on. Let's see if I go back here. You're on LinkedIn. You're on LinkedIn, trying to just check out what your friends and your colleagues are doing professionally, trying to see what the latest thought leader is saying on a particular topic. And then you get served this HubSpot ad and it says Forbes award-winning CRM platform. Get a demo. So you click request a demo and it takes you to this page here where you've got these annoying chat bots, which I actually can't stand. I think they just pop up and they slow website performance down. But you can make observations about this experience where it is clearly a landing page that has a skinny header here of just two CTAs, a product-led growth one of get started free, and then a get a demo one here, which is more sales-led. So you fill this form out and then you go talk to someone on the sales team versus the PLG motion of starting a free trial. And the same motion is replicated here. But what's interesting is that the ad primary CTA is get a demo, but the landing page primary CTA is actually get started free with it in bold orange. So I wonder if that's intentional or that's just a misalignment in how the marketing team structured this landing page. But then you can go through the landing page and see how they lay this out, the information that they provide, the visuals, the social proof. I mean, this is interesting to me, and it provides guidance to you and your team of how to do that. And then I include the ad platform on here so you know where this ad was served, the stage in the buying journey, bottom of the funnel, top of the funnel, and then the actual goal, whether it's a free offer awareness or product awareness. So I'll take you into another example. So here's one from Atlassian. Let's see, this one is also LinkedIn. Here is the visual creative. It looks like they're promoting a on-demand webinar here, and you can watch it now, which is a good use of a webinar that you've hosted in the past. And so now they're also gaining credibility by using Accenture paired with their logo here. And then you've got some key names here: a managing director from Accenture, and then the global head of strategic alliance from Atlassian. with CTA to learn more. So if you were on LinkedIn, you clicked on that CTA, let's see where it would take you. It would take you to this landing page with a full-fledged nav, which is interesting. Uh, and then you've got the lead gen form here to capture the viewer's information, likely route that to the sales team to follow up, and then they can watch that webinar on demand. So this, I find this ad swipe file insanely powerful. If you want to take it, you can see there are just a lot in here, from Gong to Samsara, Snowflake Computing, a lot of interesting different ad campaigns. But if you want, another little trick here is to go into the filter tab, and now you can add a condition. This is what I love about Airtable. So dynamic. You can choose a filter and say, well, you know what, we're running an ad specifically on Facebook, so filter it by Facebook. Now you're just seeing the Facebook ads. Or you might say, I want to structure it based on goal. And so in that case, I just want to look at product awareness ads, regardless of which platform that they're on. So you can slice and dice it. You can add multiple conditions. That is the ad swipe file. I hope you get to take advantage of this. Let me know if you have any questions. I will include a link to the swipe file below, and I will see you on the next one.